think I'm going to buy brushes after this video because, yeah, this is a catastrophe. And I don't get how you can't, like, take this in your crease. Like, I don't know how you do it. Channel. So today's video is going to be something that's very hyped right now. Basically, I will be trying to follow someone's famous YouTuber's makeup tutorial. I choose Nazaninkavari. I love her content. She's talented, she's beautiful. I think I did a pretty good job. If you want to see how I just did, please stay and keep on watching.
And I loved the whole look of the palette. So here is an up close look of all the shadows, and guys, this palette is just so stunning. This is probably one of my favorite palettes that came out this year.
This one.
So first I'm taking the shade Eden as my transition shade.
Eden is this shade right here as a transition shade, and she uses a fluffy brush. So I don't have that many brushes, guys, but yeah. So Eden in this palette has so much fallout. I'm not done blending yet. Then she takes a more dense brush,
shade Amethyst, and this is what we're going to use to create.
Okay, this is going to be tricky, guys. So Amethyst is the purple shade, and this is going to be tricky, but let's do it.
Halo eye. So I'm first taking a small flat synthetic brush. This is the Makeup Shack T6 brush, and
I don't have that brush either.
On the outer edge and the inner corner of my eye to start creating the halo eye. So first you just want to place the color. I mean, I'm not no master at halo eyes. I don't really do them that often, but you just want to first like pack the color, and then you want to take a fluffy brush and blend it out. So here I am just packing the color first, and then I'm taking the Morphe M433 brush. It's a lot more dense and more tapered than the M443.
Okay, this is way difficult than I imagined. I have never done a halo eye in my entire life before because I don't know, I don't wear halo eyes. It's like my thing. So wait, let me just do that real quick. I think I need more color because this is, I don't know, not really what we expected, I think. Let me just correct myself. Like, I think she uses the like better brushes than mine because like I need to like really dig in. Guys, this is the proof that you can have a good makeup. Like, if you want to have a great makeup, make sure you have great brushes. Like, I'm not saying I have weird, like, shitty ass brushes, but this one is from Hema. This is a shitty ass brush. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And this is going to take hours for me. Like, girl, she did a pretty good blending, but this is like so hard to blend in, like, as a transition shade. Like, look how this looks like right now. It's like, what? This is really ugly, but I'm trying to do my best right here. I need more color. And she has, I think, more space between the halo than I have, but like, you know what, I'm gonna deal with it. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. I'm just gonna do like the other eye. This is so funny because it's like so hard. This is so hard, guys. Like, I don't know how she did it. Nazanin, you're the queen. I love her so much, but girl, I cannot do this. I think I'm going to buy brushes after this video because, yeah, this is a catastrophe. And I don't get how you can't, like, take this in your crease. Like, I don't know how you do it. I think I really have, like, the wrong brushes because I cannot take this to my crease. This looks so bad. I hope this is going to be fixed because I don't like that. I don't know, it doesn't look like she
pretty gradient effect. So now I'm just doing that to the other eye as well. So I'm just blending and blending, and after I blend the purple shadow, I'm going back in with my original crease brush that still had the color Eden in it and just kind of blending everything out. So you just want to make sure everything is
okay. So I'm gonna clean this brush really quickly because I used like the other color with it, so, and use Eden again to blend this out.
Now we're gonna create our halo eyes. So I'm first taking some concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and
okay, this is going to be really funny. I'm gonna take this brush. This is a Sephora brush, and I'm gonna take some concealer if I find my concealer. Oh, there you go. So I'm taking the Burn This Way from Too Faced, applying it on my hand.
And I'm taking another Makeup Shack T6 brush, and I'm just cleaning up the center of our halo eye to give us a good base for the glitter shadow. So yeah, I'm going a little bit above the crease, so when I open my eyes, you can like still see the shimmer color. So yeah, I'm just taking some concealer and just cleaning it up. For the center of my...
Wait, this is too fast. Okay, now I'm taking the shade Twilight. It's this shimmery shade. So I'm just gonna take Twilight and apply it in my halo.
Halo eye, I'm taking this shade called Twilight, and it is just so stunning. It has a purpley iridescent duochrome effect. It is just such a gorgeous color, and it's very unique. I have not seen this color in any palette before. So I'm taking another one of those T6 brushes from Makeup Shack, and at first I tried to place it with a brush, and it just was not really working that well. So you really want to use your finger for all of her like glitter shadows.
I work with
her
that.
Shadows are like almost wet feeling, like they're not like your typical glitter shadow. So it's always best to use your finger. She got a lot of complaints in her last palette over that, but in the directions it literally says to use your finger. So I did use my finger, but it's kind of annoying to use your finger when you're trying to concentrate it into such a precise area, because it kind of like gets everywhere. It kind of got into like my crease and the purple shadow, but it still ended up looking good in the end. So now I'm placing some lashes on. These are like my new favorite lashes for dramatic looks. These are the
So she's applying lashes. I don't use lashes at all. So I'm gonna use my new, I actually got this. This is an oldie but goodie. This is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and I got the waterproof one, and like it's so amazing because it got water drops on it. I was like, what? And I love this mascara, so I'm gonna place that.
Moving on to face, I'm using an oldie but goodie. This used to be one of my favorite foundations, and I completely forgot about it. This is the Hourglass Stick Foundation.
So I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. So I don't know how I should feel about it. I don't know, this foundation creases, like even if I don't apply like this is a Sephora brush, by the way. It creases, and I'm just like, why? This is why I hate using brushes, because this is what happens to me when I use a brush. So I'm gonna end with my beauty blender, and this is why I hate doing my eyebrows before, because look at that. So I'm gonna damp this in and come back. Now, what's next? Tell me.
So after blending that all over my face, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer underneath my eyes.
I'm going a little bit with that because I have noticed that it's so easier to like use this, like a little goes a long way. And I think she's
my nose and my chin.
Contouring.
This is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I know I do use a lot of this, but that's just the way I like to do it. I tried using less before, but I just really love a nice white under eye for my dramatic looks. So I'm just going to be blending that out using a damp beauty blender.
Let's do that. Now she uses powder, I bet, to bake. I don't bake, but we'll see how that goes.
I'm also baking my under eyes here using my Kat Von D translucent.
Let's just use the next one because a lot comes out when I use it with my sponge. So we just see how that goes. Oh yes, this makes a difference.
Concealer, I'll just use a pressed translucent powder like my one from Charlotte Tilbury, and that's actually what I'm using here to set the rest of my face. So I'm taking that on a big powder brush.
So I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the NYX contour palette with this brush.
Set your whole face before you contour. So to contour, I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm taking this brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just contouring my face.
So don't have that, so I'm using my NYX contour palette, this one, and I'm using, like, I usually do a mixture of all of these shades, like depending on my mood, and I use a angled brush to contour. I did actually a contour video on this channel. If you want to check it out, I'll link it down below. So now I'm taking this brush to contour my nose, and I'm going to do it here. I bet she's contouring her nose as well. We'll see. You see how that takes a difference, but I'm gonna like really blend this out. This is not blend out at all. I'm taking another brush, this one, to blend it out. Let's just blend this out really quickly.
So Eden and Amethyst, and I'm just smudging that on my lower lash line just to create like some balance in the eyelid.
Okay, wait.
And so first I'm taking the orangey shade and first placing that on my eye, and then I'm trying to concentrate the purple closer to my
I have to think right now.
And I'm just gonna blend that all out.
So I think I'm gonna use this one. Like so. And then I'm gonna use Amethyst. I applied the Kat Von D Lolita, I believe, lipstick on it. This is my new favorite. Let's just put highlighter on my face, you know, to complete the look. Ooh. So I'm using the Sephora one. This is the new one, and everyone has been talking about it. It's the natural glow. Do you see that glow? A glow. So I apply highlighter like this, just my preference. The end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I like doing makeup, like makeup is my thing, but in no way the best makeup guru. The thing is, like, I don't have the material that she has, that she uses. Like, I mean, I have the palette, but I don't have the brushes, so it's kind of like at that point, like, realize like the brushes make a difference, like in makeup and quality. And let me know what you think about my new hair. I went to the hair salon and they cut it, they lined up my hair. I can do a video about it if you want to, and I cut it because my hair was dead broken, you know. So, and it looks actually lighter in person than right now with the sliding. Shout out to Nazaninkavari, love you so much, continue what you do. So if you're passing by, hi. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you the next time. Bye.